Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today in this video, we will see how to write a Python program to find reverse of elements in the given list. So let's get started. List can be created by using square braces. Values can be duplicated or repeated. And it is index based. And we can add, remove, replace, insert values into list. Now we will see the program how to find reverse of elements in the given list. First, we will write the program and later on we will discuss the program. While writing the code, we need to take care while giving the indentation spaces. Yeah, we are done. Now we need to save the file. Click on File, click on Save As. Now you can give any file name like revlist.py. We need to save the Python file with the extension py. So file name.py and click on Save. Yeah, file is saved and also we got Python file. Now we need to execute this program by using command prompt. So click here and type cmd and type cd space desktop, enter dictionary dir, enter. Now we need to give file name which we have saved just now .py, enter. Now this is the output. Copy this, paste the output here. Now we will see the code line by line. This line of code is used to assign a list of elements to variable x, and this line of code is used to create empty list of variable y. Empty list can be created by using square braces, and later for I in range of length of x. Length of x is used to find the length of elements in the list. So length of x means 1, 2, 3. Total 3 elements there in the x list. So range of length of x means range of 3 for I in range of 3. Now n equal to x of I. X of I means index. X of index. So x of 1, x of 2, x of 3 like that. Now reverse equal to 0. This is the variable and we have assigned 0 as the variable, and later while n not equal to 0, then it will enter the loop, and after that remainder equal to n modulus 10. Modulus operator will give remainder of the number, and that remainder is stored in rem variable. Now reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus remainder. Later n floor division equal to 10. This is the floor division symbol. It will give coefficient of the number, and after that it will append the value. Y dot append reverse means after converting the number into reverse, it will append the value to y. Y is the empty list, so it will add the reverse element. And later on, it will print y. After appending elements, it will print the y list. So we are getting output as 41, 52, 32. We have given 14, 25, 23, and we are getting reverse of the elements in the list. This is the code and this is the output. I hope everyone clear with this code and output. If you have any questions, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning.